A popular way to earn cryptocurrencies in DeFi is through crypto staking. Since Binance is the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange, with staking on Binance, users can receive staking rewards while they're regular Binance users. For all users, this means more freedom and accessibility into staking participation for all chains without giving up full liquidity. Hi, and welcome back to another video on this channel. Please don't forget that I'm not a financial advisor. Try to consult with your advisor before investing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with staking on Binance. One of the best ways to get passive income from crypto is staking BNB.io, which is an advanced staking BNB platform. Earn up to 16% in BNB every day. To know about other ways to earn passive income from crypto, you can watch our previous videos. Staking BNB.io is a smart choice because the BNB staking contract is public, verified, and can be viewed on BSC scan. It pays up to 16% daily, allowing investors to know that their investments have unlimited growth potential. Staking BNB.io pays 16% daily according to the current mining efficiency rate. The staking efficiency rate rises and falls as you and other investors hire validators, compound earning, and pocket BNB. How to earn 16% daily profit from staking BNB? 1. Send BNB to Metamask, Trustwallet, wallet on Binance Smart Chain Network. In Metamask or Trustwallet browser, connect to PANCAKESWAP and swap your BNB to BNB. At stakingbnb.io website, enter the BNB amount to hire validators. Click Hire Validators. Hiring more validators using your daily BNB earning will triple your validators within 30 days or less. Compound daily to hire more miners to increase your profit. Withdraw profit using the Pocket Your BNB button. Thanks for watching. Don't miss our tutorial video about staking using stakingbnb.io.